Hey there YouTube, South Georgia Hot Wheels here. Just a quick look at my latest custom, my latest wheel swap. Can you see that? Let's see if I can work on the light here a little bit. Here, how's that? There, how's that? There we go. Got some red lines put on Herbie the Love Bug. Pretty sweet. I opened it up. Those headlights are actually part of the base, which is pretty cool. The custom, or the detail on this, I'm really happy with. Really do like this. This is awesome. Found two today, so I figured I'd open one up. And I really wanted to do a wheel swap with one. So before, after, what do you think? A little bit of a different. I mean, I think the wheels are fine. It looked good the way it was. I got a thing for red lines, so thought that would be pretty doggone sweet. Tell me what you think. Like it, don't like it. Leave comments if I should put something else on it, or should I have just left it the way it was? Is that alright? Do you guys like that? But let me know what you think. Alright guys,